All right, so we got. Okay. Quadratic formula. Negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Notice I'm always saying it in my head, and I'm putting parentheses all over 2a, and then I plug in my b, negative 18. B is the whole number and the sign. Negative 18. AC. A is 3. C is 15. A is 3. Alright, now it's just about math. Negative, negative is a positive. 18 squared. Anyone know that one?
18 squared.
18 squared.
136.
You got it? What is it? I used to know it. Sorry, it's not in my head. 289, 324. Yeah, okay. 324 minus 12 times 15. Or wait, let's go. 4 15s would be 30 and 60. 60 times 3 is 180. Okay? All over. Now remember, two negatives make a positive, right? So that's positive. Now none of these were negative, so this stays negative. All over 6. Okay? And then we do the 324 minus 180, so we got 18 plus or minus the square root of, what is it, 180, 200 would be 20, the 300 would be 120, plus 24 would be 144, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, all over 6. Now you can break down 144, you should know it's 12, but remember, you can always do this. You know, 2 is 72, 2 is 36, 2 is 18, 2 is 9, 3 is 3, 3 is 1. And you pull out your pairs. So it's 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12, right? So, again, this is 18 plus or minus 12 over 6. Okay? Now, you could make this easier for yourself if you just pulled out a number that goes into all three of those. What goes into 6, 12, and 18?
6.
6. How many times?
It goes in the 18 3 times.
3,
It goes in 12 3 times.
2,
And then 1.
and 1. So what we're doing is we're saying 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2. Okay? Which is 5 and 1. So that's your x. Okay? That's quadratic formula. Okay? If we wanted to graph this, right?
Just 2 minutes.
That's okay, I can do it. If I want to graph this, then I need some points. Okay? The first step is 1. Find the axis of symmetry, right? F prime of x equals 0, right?
Yeah.
And then the other way to think of that is 2ax plus b equals 0. Okay? In our case, again, a, b, and c. So 2 times 3x plus negative 18 equals 0. Right? So that'd be 6x minus 18 equals 0. 6x equals 18, x equals 3. Right? Okay, so at 3, 1, 2, 3, we have the axis of symmetry. Okay? Step 2. Step 2 would be what? You remember? Right? Plug it in? Right? So step 2 means I need to find f of x, right, is equal to y. And that's my vertex. Okay? So that means f of 3 is equal to 3 times 3 squared minus 18x plus 15. That'll be 9 times 3 is 27. This should be twice as big. 54 minus, that's minus 27 plus 15, which puts us at, oh, what is that, 12? Is that negative 12? At f of 3. So at f of 3, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? Now I need to find 2 easy points. Step 3, f of 0 equals c. So when I plug in 0, because this equals 0, right? Then c is 15. So it's 0 and 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again, f number 4 is f of 2x is equal to f of 2x. 2 times the axis. The axis is 3, right? So f of 6 should also equal 15. So we plug this in, and we get 6 squared is 36 times 3 is the same as 18 times 6. So they cancel, and you get 15. So this is 1, 2, 3. That's 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. So we get this, right? Now what we should get in step 5 is our extra step. That's the quadratic formula, right? Which we did over here, 5 and 1. That means it crosses at 1 and 5. So see how it comes up through 1 and 5, up to here. Comes up through 1 and up to here. Okay? That's graphing. Alright. Question? Okay. Sorry, this one's up a little too high. That should be at 15. There you go. Again, that's 15. That's 12. Negative. Is that right? And obviously this is 3, 6, and 1 and 5.
Can I take this pencil?
Yes. Yes. Questions? What's up? 6. 2 times the axis. Remember, 2 times the axis is step 4. So the axis is sim. So 2 times the axis, and the axis is 3. So 2 times 3 is 6. Does that make sense? My bad. Trying not to. 2 times 3, which is 6. I was running out of time. I'm a little bit fast. Any other questions? It's still recording, so I can fix anything.